Okay, we ordered this bObsweep PetHair robotic vacuum cleaner and mop, which is going to be interesting to see how the mop feature works out. Hopefully you're going to be able to hear what I'm saying because I'm recording this with my phone. So let's get this little guy out. See what it looks like. Okay. Nice box. So let's see what we got here. Open this up. Okay, I gotta be smarter than the... Oh, maybe I gotta go that way. Alrighty. Oh, we got stickers, and here's a mop thing, and a cleaner, and a screwdriver. Boy, they think of everything, don't they? Alright, so let's see what this is. Alright. Ooh, nice. Oh, I gotta get down here. Oh, alright. So, this is looking pretty sweet. Alright. Some assembly required. I don't know if you can see that. That's pretty much what you get. So let's go ahead and pull those out. Pull this out. This out. Now this is going to take a while, so I'm going to edit the video. And so this isn't going to be, you know, a 1 hour boring video. Nice box, by the way. Alright, so let's get that out of the way. And let's open up these little guys. And warranty card when you adopt a Bob. I think this, I'm going to call him Bobette. That's a warranty, quick start guide. Okay, that's good to know. And so that's where we're at. So let me get down in here. Oh, Lordy. We didn't vacuum our floors because we wanted to try this guy out. So, congratulations. Check out Bob's tutorial and how-to videos here. Okay, so it gives you a directions. So, I'll go do that right now. So I'm going to stop the video and then I'll check that out. Come back, start up the video again. Alright, so bear with me.